Hi guys, welcome to my videos. Guys, today in this video we are gonna see how we can apply for a Germany tourist visa or visitor visa, whatever you say. Before I proceed further, if you have not already subscribed to my channel, please go and subscribe right now. And I would also like to clarify, neither I am an immigration consultant nor I am a government body. My intention is to show you just how to navigate through a service. If you take anything out of this video, you do it at your own risk. Alright guys, so let's proceed. So guys, I have opened the official Federal Foreign Office of Germany site. So let's say you're going for tourism and you're gonna stay for short duration. So they have given the link Schengen visa application here. Just click on it. You can complete your visa application online here. So they are collecting 1 2 3 4 5 tabs of information. They have assistant also. Personal data. Okay, so here you need to provide personal information. Some fields are mandatory, they are in bold and assertive. So I'm going to put some sample data here. Now then it is asking, do you wish to exercise your right of freedom to movement? So this is applicable for family members of nationals of EU, EEA or Switzerland. Also relation are not obliged to provide information concerning their occupation, reference or financing of their states. If you select this, you need to provide proof, but it may or may not be applicable to you. So it varies case by case. Next is what? Occupation, current occupation. All right, I'm going to put some sample information here. Next is application contact data. If you launch assistant, it's going to show you what each and every field says you. Okay, so I'm going to put some sample information. Next about documents, identification papers and travel documents. So like your passport, just provide the information. Biometric data have you given for Schengen visa? If you have done, click yes, otherwise just do not check this checkbox. Next comes travel data. That's very important. Main purpose of your journey. So you have transit, another. So I go for tourism. Okay, members, this is very important. So you have to enter as per your case, and there are rules also where you can apply, where you cannot. So be careful. And I'm gonna put some sample here. Have you been issued within last 3 years? I'm not checking it, but if you have, if it has been issued to you, you check it. Next, entry permit for the final country of destination wherever applicable. So it is as per your case, and I don't say these fields are mandatory. So I'm going to the next section, reference, type of reference, inviting person, hotel, accredited diploma, householder, no reference person. Let's see what happens when I do this. Oh, if I go for hotel, then I need to provide address, and then travel and living cost, means of support. If I go for inviting person, still these two appear. Okay, I'm gonna just put some sample information, guys. Travel and living cost, applicant himself or means of support. Oh, what are the things you have? Cash, credit card, traveler check. Okay, so after you have properly filled, this continue button gets enabled. You can also save it or you can clear the form. When you click on continue in the previous screen, you can download the PDF version of the file. I mean, that's your visa application file. Still you need to sign, photograph and all, and then you need to submit the application that is based on your location. So here I have opened, like if you are applying from India, so they have given like step-by-step guide and the location where you got to apply, begin your application. So visa application form that we have filled up. Okay, book an appointment, pay your fee, and also like I would suggest you go and see the checklist also for the documents. Next, you can open the German mission local to you, or like that depends upon your location country. So here I have opened for India, and for Schengen visa they have given this information, and they have given the checklist also. This is very important. So for example, checklist for tourist visa, if you see, they have given all the information: valid passport, application form and declaration signed, personal covering letter with entire travel plan for minors, leave letter of your company if employed, no objection certificate from school, university if student, flight reservation, proof of accommodation, travel health insurance, proof of financial status, bank statement, income tax return, civil status. So that's how it works, guys. And then you schedule an appointment, you pay the fee, and then if granted it is. So before you go to do anything, because a lot of things vary case by case, verify everything, all these official sites, and find out what exactly you need. Then it can be done. So thanks for watching this, guys. Please subscribe to the channel.